Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you how to get and set values. So for example, if in our HTML, I create a input, and let's just say the type is text, for example, and I have a value of awesome input. And let's say if we go a step further and add a simple ID, I will even just call this simple ID. So now this value right here, so if I were to reload, we got this value in there. So when we click it, we want to retrieve whatever values in there, and that is extremely useful when you are creating some sort of submission form. So to do that, we got this button click already set up. So I'm going to say val equals dollar. You need to retrieve or select, I should say, the element, and you can do that however you want. I'm keeping it simple with an ID dot val, and that is it. And then if we were to console log this out, so console.log val, and if I were to reload it, and so click me, but if I were to change this slightly, like put a few extra characters, it updates, and if I were to get rid of it, it updates as well. So say hello everybody, say click me, it gets the latest value. If you want to set the value, however, what you could do, maybe once you click this click me button, maybe some sort of submission form, and I'm sure you've seen on submission forms, once you submit it, if it's successful, it deletes all the values. So you can either delete them or set a value by doing dollar, so basically selecting it first. That's the most important part first. Simple ID dot val, and now you just specify a parameter. If I say Batman is coming, criminals should beware, and I click that, as you can see it has changed. Ignore that because I did the console log before the change itself. If I were to click it, it will get it with that one. If you just want to essentially, empty it, you just provide an empty string. And if I reload, click that, you don't even need to put a space. That has now deleted that value. So that's how you get and set values on input elements, for example. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.